The modern-day iteration of the Alfa Romeo Giulia Quadrifoglio has been in production for nearly 9 years at the Lazio factory in Italy. Sharing its aging underpinnings with the Stelvio Premium Compact crossover, this model boasts a single body style and forms the basis for the Maserati Grecale, the new Gran Turismo, and the latest Jeep Grand Cherokee. For those considering a new or used Giulia, opting for the top-tier Quadrifoglio variant is recommended, provided the budget allows. Distinguished by the Quadrifoglio suffix, this version showcases a beefed-up exterior design, unique cabin touches, 4-leaf clover badges, dedicated wheels, a distinct chassis setup, and enhanced brakes to handle the additional power. Powered by a 2.9-liter V6 developed with Ferrari's expertise, the Quadrifoglio produces 505 horsepower at 6,500 RPM, while the GTAM variant pushes the envelope further with 532 horsepower. The GTAM achieves this extra punch through redesigned pistons and rods, a remapped ECU, and an Akrapovic exhaust system, positioning it as a direct competitor to the formidable BMW M3 CS. Although the Alfa Romeo Giulia Quadrifoglio isn't as favored by tuning companies as the BMW M3, a myriad of upgrades is available for enthusiasts. From diverse body kits featuring wide fenders and prominent wings to personalized interiors and occasional power enhancements, owners can tailor their Giulia to suit their preferences. The internet is brimming with imaginative renderings offering a sneak peek into the limitless possibilities for the Alfa Romeo Giulia's aesthetic evolution. One of the recent renderings that caught attention online is credited to a.c.g_design. Displaying an extreme transformation, the digital rendering envisions the Giulia with a new face, complete with distinctive add-ons like a robust apron with side blades and a vented hood. Wider wheel arches, complemented by side skirt attachments, contribute to an aggressive stance. At the rear, the customary fresh bumper and diffuser combination is accentuated by a trunk lid spoiler and a sizable wing. The V-spoke design of the wheels, featuring concavity, enhances the overall appearance, filling the arches more prominently than the stock counterparts. Rendered in a matte red finish with black accented add-ons, the CGI design injects a dose of creativity into the Giulia's aesthetics, albeit with some reservations about the inclusion of certain elements,